Welcome back to Ailey's Fun Time! Look and see. Hey guys, welcome back! Today I want to say thank you to Little Blizzard's friends for sending me these original Blizzards only at DQ. It's for free. Now it's on Amazon. I'll send you a link right here. And it's series 1. Okay, this one's strawberry. Look how cute it is. You can see all the characters in the back. And you can see some in the front. Okay, next one. This is cookies and cream, my favorite. Looks so yummy, I want to eat it. We also got Reese's peanut butter. And with this stick, okay, we have crunch. And we have chocolate with marshmallows. And we have mint. Okay, who's ready to open them now? I am. Which one should I open? Okay, this side. I'm gonna eat it out. I finished it all. Just kidding. I have it right here. You can pop it off and on. Okay, now let's take out something. Okay, got it open. Oh, a hair clip! I can just put it on my hair. Okay, next one. Okay, got it. Oh, the outfit! Looks like a dress. And now who did we get? Ooh. It's a girl. Oh, she has brown shoes. Look at the sprinkles on her hair dress. I think this hair pops on her head. Oh, she looks so cute with her ponytail. Okay, let's put on her outfit. Put her outfit on. And that's it? Yeah, I think so. And you can check on the box. You can check on the box to see what's their name called, and her name is called Coco. Hello, Coco. Look at her pink eyes. Coco. Now to the next one. I'm gonna open strawberry. Okay. Poof. Okay, that right here. And you can get all the extra. What? There's a coat. Very white. It has a cherry on it. Now next one. Look guys, she looks like if she's full of whipped cream. I just want to eat her up. And look, she has a cherry on her. Okay, now let's put her coat on. Okay, now we got her clothes on. Okay, now let's see what her name is. Candy Queen. Let's check the she's right here. Okay, stand up. Okay, now the next one. do this time. Okay, small one, good one. It's closed. Look, it has white and blue. Okay, the next time. White hair this time. Okay, and look at the thing. This one will go down like this one. Okay, now let's see. Oh, we go. Ooh, look it. Okay, now let's get her dressed up. Ow. And her outfit. Look it. She's all dressed. Okay, now let's see what her name is. It's Nilla. Short for Volina. Is she? So we just opened the back layer and we're gonna open the front layer on part 2. I wanna say, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and give a huge thumbs up. Bye guys!